Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from whichever place you're watching me from. It's your girl, the Cooking Village wife here on Melo Howie's YouTube channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing, always liking and watching the videos to the end. Even if it's not to the end, you take a lot of time watching and I'm so grateful for you. Thank you so much. And we said we should monetize this channel. At least we need to monetize it, and I'm so grateful that it has tremendously grown and we are on the journey to monetization. Thank you so much. We are over 2,000 watch hours. Thank you so much. And that's in a span of almost a week or two, or less than two. So that's, I did remember the channel has been very dormant, but anyway, that's not important. Thank you so much. The goal is to push and push and push and push as much as we can. Also, share with you what's going on, our daily routine, our daily lives, and I'm so grateful that you guys are on with me on this journey. Yeah, so guys, remember we lost BB 2 weeks ago now, and a lot has been going on behind the scenes. And BB, in this culture, the African culture, how do I say it? Normally, when a person dies, when an elder dies, people have inherit their properties. People inherit their properties. Like the children mostly inherit their properties. The grandkids inherit the property. Normally, when you have like for example, a house, or normally when you have like a farm, maybe a piece of land, a huge piece of land, or an ancestral land, normally it's subdivided into each. If assuming you have 4 sons or 5 sons, the land will be subdivided amongst the children equally. And also when you have like maybe other properties, others give their daughters, others do not. Others, it's different depending on where you're coming from or which place you're staying. So but here, normally it's the son that inherits, sorry, oh my god, inherits. So for example, baby had one child. That is Claude Joseph's dad, my father-in-law. So he automatically inherits the property that Bibi was. I'm assuming this land here is because Bibi was married here. It's and the husband died, and she remained like the custodian of this property. Because she has one son, the son automatically inherits. And then now, when maybe that time when it comes, we won't be having our father-in-law, the children will inherit. When the children want to be there, the grandchildren will inherit. That's how it goes. So it's automatic, like especially when it comes to land and just things on the property and all that. But when it comes to other assets, it's different. Maybe there should be a will. If maybe Bibi had cars, if she had maybe houses, if she had maybe she had these things that we don't know and she's never told us. So and if she had other properties, maybe from Tanzania or from in Kenya, because she traveled a lot when she was a young girl. She told us she was in Mombasa, she was in Kisumu, she was in Nairobi. She worked there as a I don't know what was it. She was cleaning. I think she was a cleaner at some point in her life. She did a lot of chores. So which she told us stories like when she was growing up. She came from Tanzania and then she came to look for work because the husband was working in Mombasa. So she had to, everywhere the husband goes, she follows. Everywhere the husband goes. So she had a lot of, she has a lot of experience and she knows Kenya in and out very well, given that she was a Tanzanian. So Bibi had properties. And what the property she had, especially that right now, because she couldn't do much, she wasn't a rich woman. She was just rich in heart, rich in spirit, rich in love, rich in everything else. But then now, she had her own property. What can we say she had? Maybe she had her clothing, her house, her bed, her chairs. Those beautiful things that she had. So those things were automatically, someone has to inherit them, because we can't throw them away. We can't give them out, because we have people here. Normally here, the culture here, with someone dies, you give out the clothes and all that. But we haven't really done that. But I want us to, and it's not like a right or something like that. Every person has to be involved, or the parents or anything. No. Given that it's a family member that is inheriting them, I'm just going to show you what's going to happen. And the inheritor in this case, because we felt like we have my family, CJ has his family, and Brother Jack has his family. Everyone else is somewhere doing something, and the only person, the child of the family, the baby of the family. I don't know whether the baby of the family is around. The baby of the family, come. The baby of the family, apparently, is always somewhere here around me. Baby of the family. So I felt felt like personally the baby of the family needs to have something, given that sometimes he is a big boy now. He's no longer a baby. The baby of the family is no longer a baby. Baby of the family. The baby of the family is taller than me. How are you, baby of the family?
I'm fine.
Introduce yourself, baby of the family.
Hello guys, welcome back to Melo Hawi's YouTube channel. So new there guys, subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment. This is Manu Claude. Yeah, as you have called me the baby of the family, I have to to obey the command.
Yes.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. Yeah, I'm Manu Claude. You can also go check me out
Yes,
on YouTube.
please guys, check out Manu Claude. This our tripod today is it's
You can go this way.
yeah, but now I wanted it taller. Can it be taller than this?
No.
No. It can't elongate or something.
No.
Okay.
It's fine there.
So yeah, yes.
Yeah. This is Manu Claude on this channel. Yeah.
Guys,
this
please
one.
Support Manu Claude.
It's focusing.
Let's see.
This one.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, Manu Claude.
Manu Claude,
Yeah, road to 2K subscribers. 4,000 watch hours.
4,000 watch hours.
Yeah.
Hey, you're looking good. Hey, this guy has literally, I found him when he was reaching me here. Now he's taller than me. Yeah, he's way taller than me. Like, you see now I'm almost, like in the next few years he'll be way taller. But anyway, I'm so proud of you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for, eating well and growing tall. Anyway, so baby of the family, the reason why I called you here is because it's not really a surprise. It's something we've talked about for a while, and I have a feeling like I've been the pioneer for this, because you're a grown. Normally he sleeps in mom's and dad's house. True.
Yeah.
He has his own room there. And we've been feeling like this guy right now. He's bigger. He needs his own space. Even sometimes when mom and dad want to fight a bit, maybe with words, are like, oh, I don't want that. And he's always there. So we were like, this young man needs like his own space, because Bibi's house was constructed a few years ago, and she has her own things. She had her own things, and it's in perfect condition. The bed is strong. The mattress is very soft, and it's well taken care of. Guys, I want to tell you that we took good care of Bibi. We literally took good care of her, and he's a witness, and he was also part of that. He did a lot for Bibi, especially when we were not here. He was the one feeding Bibi, changing everything you can think of. He's the one who was doing. He's equally very, very, very important in this process, because he had a huge role, especially when you were not here, and even when you were here. Sometimes you could come in and help. So that's true. Am I lying?
Yeah, true.
It's very true.
Yeah.
I don't lie. I say the truth. So Manu Claude here has been part of the journey. So personally, I was like, what's the point of sometimes when there's no one to hear, assuming there was no Manu Claude was not born. Those things maybe relatives could have been given. Maybe you take this Bibi's mattress, take Bibi's take. But because we have this young man here, and he's also not turning into a man, so we felt like he needs to inherit Bibi's property. And Bibi is very rich. Let me warn you. Bibi is rich, oh. Isn't she? She's rich.
Yeah.
Are you excited about inheriting something?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we felt like, come to the frame. We felt like I felt like, let me start, because it's me who thought of that first, so I don't involve any other person, just in case they say no, we don't want him to inherit. So when the hit comes, I'll take it, but there's no hit. That's just a joke. So he needs to take over Bibi's house, and that should be his house, his own space. I don't know what he feels about that. Yeah. And so maybe he can tell us if he wants that, so that I can propose and keep proposing and push. Because me already, I told him to start cleaning the house. I told him to start, doing ABCD. I even offered to give him I have an extra cooker, so that in case he wants to cook for himself, he feel like eating mommy's food. He can go and cook for himself, and sometimes maybe he has some money and he wants to eat his nyama choma alone, so he can do his things at the corner there. So I don't know what he feels. Maybe he can tell you if it's a good idea, or if he wants that, or he doesn't want that. And I also don't like forcing or imposing my ideas on people. Maybe he doesn't want that house. Maybe he wants to stay with mommy and daddy. Maybe can tell us, what do you think? Do you think it's a good idea or it's a horrible idea? Or you want to build your own house? What do you want? What do you think?
It's a good idea at this time
Uh-huh.
because you know, I used to wake up early in the morning going to school, like making noise with that door.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah, the mom's door.
Yeah. So if I open the door, they say, "Who is that? Who is that?"
Every time they ask,
Yeah.
who is that opening the door?
Yeah. You know. So at this time, if I be going to school, I be with my free space.
You'll
in
be your
there.
free space.
Yeah.
You open your door and lock the door.
Yeah.
And then now you have your own guys. The house, I'm telling you, like I'm going to make it my personal mission to make the house as comfortable for him as possible, so that like I'm going like there's a carpet. I'm gonna be giving you a carpet, and you must promise me one thing. The
Cleanliness.
cleanliness is
Cleanliness. I know that.
you know that, eh?
Yeah.
Like he has to be clean, the bed, like everything, even that mattress. First of all, like today it needs to come out
Yeah.
for airing, and then now maybe I was thinking if we had like some cleaning services, the mattress can be cleaned a bit, so because it has a bit of stains from before when there was no Macintosh. Yeah, so now I think it needs to be come outside, like the all of like a whole week you need to be putting it outside so that there's some so it gets fresh air, you know.
Yeah.
And then now you can cover it and do whatever you want to it. But one thing he must do, and promise me, is cleanliness. Because I will give him, I have an extra carpet or rag, as you call it, where you're washing him from. And also what? The things that we are not going to fix the house, so that, and also curtains. There are some curtains that mom has, some curtains. For your door needs to have a curtain because it's open and people normally come here and, you know, look inside. And also you need to have like, hopefully in the future when we get more money, you can paint it, you know,
Yeah.
and do all those things, you know, and have your own extension of Wi-Fi. We have an extra line of Wi-Fi. He can connect it to his house because he normally uses Wi-Fi when studying. He has a smartphone. He uses Wi-Fi when studying, so he can connect it to his house, and also he can do what? And also maybe in future when God blesses us, you know, who knows? A subscriber
Let
here
me
can
ask you
say,
something.
a subscriber here can say, I want to buy my Claude TV. A small 32-inch TV.
I really appreciate. You have said that I have to promise you one thing, like cleanliness. Then you have been here like 3 years. Did you saw me in that like I'm dirty like that?
No, I've not seen Manu
You know,
is the
people can
cleanest
ask.
person. Yeah. Is it dirty? Why is he getting a warning? I know people can ask that. That's a very nice question, Manu. No, he's not a dirty guy. Only that, you know, he stays with mommy. You know, one thing, he stays with mommy. You know, mommy also likes cleanliness. Mommy can. So most of his, especially in the house, I'm not talking about your personal hygiene or in the house mopping, because I don't see you mopping mommy's house.
I do, mom.
Hey, Manu,
I
Claude.
do, mom.
Oh my God,
Mom is
guys.
there. My my witness is there. Even dad is
But
there.
not how frequent.
Yeah,
Not frequently. Yeah. Like I don't see you, you know, there are things I don't see you. I mean, I'm very honest. I don't see you mopping, sometimes washing dishes, doing a lot of
dishes, I do.
yeah, you do.
I do.
But not as frequently. Now when it comes to your house, because
Well, mom is not around, I do.
not even when mom is around. Now remember, mom will not be around every time because she doesn't stay you in the house with you in the house.
Yeah, I say like the time I was there.
The time you are there.
Yeah.
But now because you are still a young man, a small boy, let me call you a small boy or a young man, someone has to monitor you. Man, I have to be peeping, you know, through the window. Like, has he changed his bed sheets?
You are short. You can't sleep.
Guys, I have to be like, has he changed his bed sheets? Is he everything? I have to follow up so that, you know. Also, when you get some friends, when you know, I know he has a lot of friends. When they come over, I want you to say, you know, the chairs, they are classy.
Yeah.
And now hopefully we get like a small coffee table, you know, small coffee table, not the plastic ones, the many wooden ones or the glass ones, whatever you want. In future, that is, you get that, and then now when you have your friends over, they come to, you know, they like using Wi-Fi. You can have a million friends. This guy has a lot of friends, so they can come. I want you like to, you know, feel posh when you're in the house and with your friends, and you are young. You know, it's a prestigious thing, and you feel cool when you have your own house. Yeah, so I feel like you're the first person who directly inherit this property.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. So, and I thought of you first. So what do you say? Clap for me, because I thought of you. Otherwise I could have said it's fell, but I thought of you.
Now I'm the last born, so
no,
I have.
Carol could have inherited that.
Why?
Because she's still there.
I'm like I used to be BB's friend around.
And oh my God, let me tell
Carol
you.
used to be in school. when I was around.
Yeah, but
Even
anyway.
Bibi can cry where she is.
She can say like, why didn't you give Claude?
He can like make the bed go upside down. Or even the house. When you come to enter the door, you don't find it.
She'll be protesting.
Yeah.
Give Claude.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Yeah.
but I'm happy that you're the one who's going to have that, and I'm so proud of you for that. So that at least you can have organize your life. It will
Even now I have cleaned a little bit.
Yeah, it will make you more responsible. I will be giving you soap for cleaning. When you're mopping the house, I'll be like, I'll give you soap for, now that I want to help you be independent. Yeah. You see, I know you know the vision I have for you. And every time I tell you do this for yourself, have these things for yourself. So that at least you can start planning. Because he's already very mature for his age, guys. He's planned, he has a lot of things that he's doing, and I'm so proud of him. So I want to encourage him to be responsible for himself, so that it doesn't become like other children who just left school, quit school. Right, he's still is in grade 9. He has his phone. He's very responsible with his phone. He doesn't misuse it. He has a channel he has 1,000 subscribers. He has 1,000 subscribers. He has he has things going on for him. So I want to push him because he's been a good guy. He does things like correctly. He doesn't, and he's very obedient, and he performs well at school. So I feel like those are things. That like we need to encourage him more so that he keeps doing better and better and better and better. Yeah. So that's why I thought of you, and also
Thank you so much.
Yeah, so that I'll be there.
Thank you so much for the promises.
Yeah, so guys, I'm gonna be taking you to the house so that that's a little bit later. He wants to start a live stream, guys, and also, guys, please support Manu Claude. He's really struggling with his views. We want his channel to be active so that by the time he goes to higher education, he has everything intact. He can earn for himself. That's the kind of responsibility. Like what I want you to do for him, so that he can be, he can take care of himself. He doesn't have to ask for pocket money and all that. So please, guys, when you post his videos, please check him out, subscribe to his channel. Today, if he does a video today, I will share it on Melo House channel, because my channel is totally different. That's why I normally don't share things there right now. But maybe Melo House channel is a bit now active on this channel, so I will be sharing. And remind me to share it now. When you do a video from today, remind me to share it, not every day, but once in a while. I share it on this channel. Okay? Yeah, because now at least it's more like your channel, Yeah, so
let me set a live stream.
Yeah, he's setting a live stream. Also, guys, remember to just go check Manu Claude. It's just Manu Claude, just that way. Just go check him out. So guys, I will be going to where we are doing. We also have another project down there. So let me go there and show you what's going on before I take you to show you what he's going to inherit. So I'm gonna be showing you everything that he's going to inherit from Bibi. Okay? Yeah. So see you guys in a bit. So yeah, guys, let me take breakfast and we kick it off. This here is my beautiful girl. She bought me breakfast mandazi and tea. Oh my god, this cup is huge. So yeah, guys, let me take breakfast. Guys, we also have another project that we started. We are making bricks. We are making bricks. Can you see? We are making bricks. So this is our project that we are starting, and we have an amazing friend there who is helping us. And you can see Claude Joseph, happy baby, there. Hi. Say something. Good morning to you. Guten Morgen, sir. Hey, you're looking good. Good.
Yeah, nice.
Say something.
Yeah, good morning, guys.
Okay.
Welcome back to this YouTube channel. My good name is Claude Joseph. Today we are here, and because of this side, I saw the watermelons are not doing good perfectly because of this shade. And I was like, it's better for us to also to revive back the project that used to be here.
That one.
Yeah, so that we can at least have something. This is the future. Sometimes we have the scarcity of what we call bricks. So it's better for one to make bricks, and then you can store them. You see, like those ones there have been there for years.
Yeah.
So you can mix with them, and then you burn.
Uh-huh.
You make a kiln burn, and We can also use them to construct our home, or we can sell them.
Okay.
Yeah, so please subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment. My good name is Claude. We are here, and we are just trying slowly by slowly by slowly. As long as we are starting from zero, but we thank God that at least even if we are starting from zero, we are moving slowly by slowly.
Okay.
Yeah, no hurry in Africa.
How are you feeling today?
I'm okay. I'm trying. I'm much okay. That's why I'm making some stories with a good friend of mine
Yes.
over here. You know, guys,
The
we
engineer. You they know him?
yeah, I know they know him.
Where have they seen him?
All the job that has been done here, I've been
He's the one
seeing
who
it
did
done.
it.
Yeah. The
Oh.
one who burnt the bricks. The first time when we went to Dubai, is the guy who did. Who I left with, who was doing.
Oh,
the
who was
bricks.
doing the project?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And also the other day he was like, man, I'm free. You can also give me job. I was like, for now I'm low, but just come. We can continue checking on what's going on around, slowly by slowly, and in a good way. He's here, and that's how you see, guys. Typical life in Africa. Those bricks that you see that are in red form, they are not bought from maybe industries or maybe Kenya clays. They are made just locally. That's why you see we here. Those old bricks that you see they are building,
The ones that constructed that
they
house.
are made here in this
Wow.
form of this area. So like you see on this side, you see it's reviving just a small place. He just revived a small place, just a small place, and you can see how the lump sum of soil. This soil is very recommendable for brick making because it doesn't crack.
Oh.
It never cracks. It's like black don't crack. Yeah, so guys, we are here. We are trying our best, slowly by slowly, and also coping up with the situations.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I had something I wanted to ask, or I wanted to say. I've been thinking for a while. I've been planning about who's going to inherit Bibi's property. You know, Bibi was very rich. She was rich in heart, in everything else. She was a rich woman. Yeah. So I wanted someone special to inherit some of the things that she has left behind. So at the thought of the one and only person who has also been supporting you very much. The one who was after you. There was someone else who was really supporting you, Manu Claude. So he's been a very disciplined boy. He's been very he's hands on and everything. He doesn't say no. Manu,
even when Bibi died, we died with on our hands with her. He was holding a cup of water as I was holding Bibi and a cup of porridge. So which means we were together. So with me, I have no any against about him to inherit anything. The only thing I will inherit is a rosary from Bibi. Bibi used to be a very prayerful woman, so she used to have rosaries. For those who understand what a rosary is, so Bibi first gave me the first rosary, which I hanged it on our car. But unfortunately, there's something bad happened to our car, which one day I'll chat to you guys about it. And there's two remain that she used to use to pray that still are hanging on her bed, and I just have them so that my all projects I just used to hang those rosary, and one would be so the only thing I'm held from Bibi is the rosary, but everything that is in there it belongs to Manu Cloud.
Yeah,
it just belongs to Manu Cloud. You know, it's a sort that also Manu need to have
his own
house,
space.
his own space, because he's now a grown-up person. He needs to come with friends, and he need to come with friends and sit on just to have their own space. He need to study on his own, not being in the parents' house. And sometimes, you know, parents might be having a quarrel, or sometimes parents might be having their own discussion. So it's good Manu to inherit that. Yeah, so hopefully he has started doing some cleaning.
Yeah, I told him to start cleaning and organizing. So I want to go take our audience. I don't know if you'll accompany me, so that
I'm here with this friend of mine.
I know.
And we can see you. Just I'm giving you this task because also you're shooting this video. It will be also on my channel. So I'm giving you this task. For now, even if you, I don't know if you have realized this, guys. I've really gone down on YouTube sometimes shooting videos, just a low one, just to have a small space,
just take a break,
just a little time for me to come up. Sometimes when I remember just coming this and going on the other end, I'm like, things are not okay, but little by little, and then all will be well, guys.
Okay.
So I'm taking this time to appreciate you all guys for the best time, for the good work that you are doing with us. I'm always grateful for you and to Almighty God who gives us life. That's it. You really, I really love to operate my project when I'm talking with the people around. So like he was giving me a story of those days back when I used to be nothing, and I really gave him job. I told him, man, when we sell bricks, I'll give you your percentage. So he used to tell me, you remember those days back when we were making bricks here, and if that's why I'm back, because you have never scammed me, you have never showed me something wrong. So just soaring slowly by slowly.
Wow.
Him,
Okay, so I let you guys keep going.
Yeah.
Let me go and see what Manukla does to offer. He's also busy. He's doing a live stream right now.
Oh.
So I'm not so sure if you're going to do the video continue or I'll wait for him to finish.
Alright.
But in the meantime, you keep going. I'll come back and check out the project. Guys, we have a project, brick
One.
making,
It's one in many.
a brick making project here at home.
We have watermelons.
We have watermelons behind there that are
the vegetables around.
vegetables. Actually, I want to prune the vegetables today.
Yeah.
And also, you know, other things that you have not mentioned. Yeah, so let's go and I'll see you in a bit.
All right.
Okay. So guys, this right here is Bibi's house. Magnificent house, beautiful house. So this house was constructed at around 2018-2019. So like it was done around 2020, let's say, like everything was done I think she moved in at around that time. So this here is what Claude is going to inherit. Yeah, so rather has inherited. Yeah. Are you doing a live stream? So guys, Claude is on live. Yeah. So this here is what he's going to inherit. And I'm going to be taking you inside so that you can be able to see these it's complete, but then now it wasn't really finished, and hopefully with time we'll get to finish it, especially, or he will get to finish it, of which I hope his channel gets monetized. I know if he gets monetized as his channel, he'll make money and he can finish now his house, because now this is his property. He can stay here for as long as he wants, you know. Yeah, and also study here. It gives him like it's privacy. It gives him his privacy, so he can study here, do whatever he wants. If he wants to create, make a shower, like a bathroom inside there, so he doesn't have to get out. It's a full house and enough for him as a young man. So I'm gonna be going in, and also hopefully he can also come and, you know, we talk about things. If not, because he's busy also doing a live stream, I'll just go show you the things that we have that we think he can take, you know, inherit from Bibi. And also our people here are having breakfast. They're having breakfast.
Yeah, at least guys, let's have breakfast. I'm here with our great guy.
And the dog can't stop looking
Mr.
at you
Agre,
lugubriously.
I've given it 4 mandazis. I won't give it anymore. It doesn't want me to even to nourish.
Oh, shoot. Look at how it looks. It's looking at him like as if.
I've given it mandazi.
Hey, Sude, you're behaving as if you've not eaten anything.
I've given him a lot, 4 mandazis, big one. Look, I need to start looking at me again. Look, it will eat and
It
then
looks
assume.
at like with
Look,
a lot of you can think like it hasn't eaten anything. Yeah. So they're having breakfast. So guys, let's go in and see what's going on. This has been my vegetable garden here. My good friend here is trying to help me. Sorry about the shaking. And I had planted earlier sukuma wiki. I think you can see some. Let me zoom in. You can see some sukuma wiki here. I don't know who uprooted them. I think someone uprooted them. But anyway, I've gotten some more, so I'm going to be planting them here before I can take you and show you what's going on. Yeah, so I'll be planting them in a bit. So guys, this is Bibi's house. Nashukuru Mungu kwa yote ulionitendea. This means I'm grateful to God for all that he has done for me. This was her, I don't know what to call that. And this is the car chair. This the chair now, that some of the things that one is going to inherit. It's gonna be this chair. We made this chair around almost 2 years ago. For Bibi, wanted her house to look clean and neat, and we were praying that one day we can be able to fix the house and paint it, have a door here. You see, these are some of the things that we had planned to do. We have some things. We have our bicycle that's up there. This bicycle has a lot of issues, so we decided to keep it here. It's broken. It's not working. Yeah. So we have some things that we've put up there just to store them up there. And also, there's this table. I don't think this is baby's table, but Manu can use it in the meantime. Yeah. And also we have this chair. It was an L seat. Is it a 5-seater? Yeah, 5-seater L seat. So yeah, so this we'll have to remove it from in here and put it on the sitting room there. Yeah, and this is baby's bed. I think Claude slept on this bed yesterday. And also we have a guest who came. And so far, the house has been acting like a store. So these are some of the things that Manu is going to inherit. This bed and these chairs and the house as a whole. Oh, we have wasps, guys. Can you see them? Those are wasps. Wow. So this house, we have baby's shoes still up here. Other shoes are still down here. I don't know who will take this, but yeah, these shoes came from US. When I came to the village, and I was still a guest here. There's a friend of CJ's who sent these, so she inherited these. We gave her this because the friend thought that they could fit me, but they couldn't, so we gave them out to baby. The number was so small, number 7. Number 7 is a bit small, but it's a tiny 7. Yeah, so it's going to be inheriting all those things. Yeah, so we don't have, so he has to clean. He cleaned this house, but it's not yet clean. So all these things need to get out. All these paints and all that, they'll have to be removed. Have to be removed and cleaned. And also this house needs to be, hopefully in future, but it's not so urgent. As long as he has his own space, the bed looks good. It's a good clean bed, so he needs to get the mattress out so that it can be aired. And also we have baby's rosaries here. The one CJ said that he's going to. These are the only things he wants to inherit from baby. So the rosaries, that's for the Catholic. She was a Catholic, a staunch Catholic. Yeah, and I think that's just about it. And the house. So he'll inherit the furniture and the house for baby, Yeah, and I saw him fixing some electricity, so that he can be comfortable. This chair is very comfortable, guys, and it's a nice chair. Oh, Manu will enjoy this house so much. I know that for sure. So I will be waiting for his reaction when he comes back. And of course, he had talked about it, but basically that's all about it. And we hopefully, in future, when I think he can take it over from there until when he gets ready. I don't think we'll be doing so much for this house anytime soon. But if he manages, he can fix it. In future, that is not now, because right now he's still a young man, he's still in school, and paint it, and maybe have some ceiling put on it, and then now Manu can live here comfortable for as long as he wishes. Apparently, if your grandmother's house, it's not like his parents' house. There's a difference between when you inherit grandma's property and when you inherit your parents' property. So he is free to do anything here, sleep here, bring friends over, have fun, whatever fun he wants to have, cook, whatever, play games. If he has a video, whatever, he can do whatever he wants. So basically that's it. And maybe I'll get his reaction later when he comes and he sees all these are for him, and he can now move on with his life and plan his life well. Okay, yeah, I don't know what you think about that. You can tell me what you think. This chair is comfortable. If Manu wasn't here, I could have said, let me inherit the chair, because I know how it was very expensive and very pretty. And we made it in Tanzania. You remember? I don't know if you guys remember. We made it in Tanzania. Manu, are you done with your life? It's done? Yeah, just 2 minutes of your time. So one is coming. There is. Yeah, so the chief inheritor was doing a live stream.
You're on a live stream?
No. I'm not on a live stream. How are you feeling sitting on this chair? Now this is your chair.
No, even inside here, it's very, very cool.
It's cool, eh?
Yeah. Cool. Even sounds are not coming from outside. Like
what?
That sounds.
Sounds.
Like main sounds, yeah.
It has it's soundproof.
Yeah. It's soundproof.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the chair is comfortable. I want you to get the other chair out.
Yeah, because I'm waiting for Claude, you see. because he's the one who put it inside, and I can't take it
He's
out.
the one who put it inside.
Put, yeah.
Yeah, not put it. Put
Yeah,
it is not
put it
a
is
correct
not-
word.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have remembered. When if my English teacher is watching,
You'll be very disappointed. But now correct it as you go.
Yeah. So he's the one who put inside there. So he becoming taking it outside, because this one is not taking the shape of it. It have to be like L. So this one will be going to that corner, and that one that is inside there, it will be coming here. You can go in and show them.
So now, yeah. So this one here.
Yeah.
Oh, these are cool.
And
cool.
I have passed the electricity from the sitting room to here.
Why did you pass it up there? Why couldn't you just pass it here so that it gets goes to the
I was like very
tired?
Very tired. And even my brain was not
functioning. Yeah, you could have just passed.
Even here, it's fine.
No, because this chair is going to move from this place. Remember?
Yeah.
So you need to have it next to your bed so that maybe you can put it up there on top of that box.
It can't reach there.
It can.
Let me show you.
When you pass it down.
Let me take it.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah. So I have to do this.
You really did that. Like, come on, that was too much work. Let me push. Let me pull it.
No, if you pull it, it will like drop some.
But you're still going to sweep. It's not yet done.
Yeah.
Okay, it is. So put it from down there. It's yeah. So it can still fit even if it's just here. You know? Yeah. And then now this one, the chair will move. Then now we can push it behind.
So I'll be charging front.
You can
Yes.
yeah. But then now these pillows, you have to put the covers.
Pillow cover.
Like this one here, it has to have that. They can't otherwise, so that it will be very dirty. And then now this one also, you have to be removing these and washing them. These are the pillow protectors, so that they're not dirty. Yeah. Okay. So guys, this is bed now. This is his own master bed, and he has a big bed, and you'll have to clean your bed. Now you have to see there's some dust somewhere, until I think it's from the funeral days. So you'll have to clean. I don't know what's inside here.
These are like tools.
Inside here.
Yeah, these are clothes, I think.
Whose
like
clothes?
Claude Joseph.
Oh, Claude Joseph's clothes.
Yeah.
Oh, they're supposed to. Oh, he received them from somebody.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm waiting for these to go out.
Oh, so they're supposed to be taken somewhere. Yeah. Okay. And also
we'll be, like, arranging BB's clothes.
Okay.
Yeah, those are BB's clothes.
You have to arrange them inside. There's a suitcase, I think. There's a carton and then a box. I think she has some box.
Yeah.
I think if I don't
Someone
know.
took it.
Took it where?
Yeah, I don't know.
He
took it using in the funeral time.
Someone carried it and went with it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You'll have to find a place and fix them there. Yeah. Okay. So, and all of this will have to come out.
Who stepped up? Who stepped on this one?
Am I the one?
It won't come.
No,
out.
I'm not.
It won't come out.
Yeah. So I'll bring for the day. You have even a ceiling.
Yeah.
Everything fixed, and then now you can invite us for lunch. You're like, I'm cooking, guys, in my house. Can you today? Don't cook in your place. I want you guys to come and I think you have everything now, Manu.
Yeah.
You're set for life.
Yeah.
Okay. So all the best for you.
Thank you.
And I wish you all the best, my brother. May you successfully fix this house, and so that, and then may you also grow. May your channel grow, and I think you're set. At least you have your own space. You can study, no noise, no nothing, no distractions. No Shian coming. Yeah. It's.
If I find Shian again
Drawing.
Hey.
I know.
You see, even now
Shian was drawing cartoons here, like with a marker pen, and it was So you have to remove all the cobwebs, everything. All these things will dispose them eventually. Okay.
Yeah. So I'm waiting for the command from Claude Joseph.
Which command to do what?
To come and take these things out.
Or you tell him this is your house now. You need to remove the things outside. Like you are in charge now. Like, get out.
I do have that respect for, like, keeping for other people's things.
Uh-huh.
Half the time they feed it, but they can take them outside. Yeah.
But also remember it's your house now, you are in charge. So whenever you don't like something, you also say I don't like this, so that you also.
But they're elder.
No, it doesn't really matter. I'm not necessarily talking about Claude. When, for example, this is your space. Your space is a private place. So your things should be in your space. If someone wants to keep something for you, they'll have to come to you like, Manu, can I please keep something here? This should not be now a store. So now we have a store. Yeah, so things really should be kept there. As much as you have respect, also you have to know your boundaries. You have to learn to people to respect your boundaries. Okay? Yeah. I'm not talking about CG, I'm just saying generally, everyone. This is my space, please don't put plastic, papers, maize cobs, whatever it is, don't keep it here so that it's clean and you have your clean space. Okay? Yeah, so that's it. Congratulations. And wishing you all the best in your new journey.
Yeah, thank you so much.
And you guys, you already had a guest yesterday.
Yeah. I had a guest.
You hosted a guest yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay. So bye CJ, as an CJ Manu Claude, and all the best.
Thank you.
Okay. And so these are my beans from the farm. We removed them early, so I think they're dry. They're a bit dry. So maybe tomorrow I will be undoing them. It's a lot of work. Being a farmer it's not easy, Yeah, so these ones, because we removed them early, I think we made a mistake and removed them early. So I think these ones are the ones that we're going to be consuming maybe for the next year, the beginning of from next year. And then the ones in the shamba, will give them time until they're mature. They were removed prematurely. Someone misadvised me and we went there and removed them prematurely. So we are forcing them to dry, though it's not yet their time. So yeah. So otherwise, I don't have much to say. This video, thank you so much for those who watched to the end, even those who joined and didn't watch to the end. I'm still grateful either way. May God keep on blessing you abundantly, in abundance, for you guys are our rock. Thank you so much. And I'm going to be ending this year and see you on the next video. Bye.